Are you tired of the same summer scroll? Today I'm gonna talk why outdoor summer camping can beat all your favorite apps. Getting lost in nature is more refreshing than getting lost in your YouTube feed. Dinner by the fire is better than anything on Netflix. No Wi Fi, but a stronger connection than your social media group chats. And the night sky, that's way more stunning than any Instagram filter. Waking up to bird songs is better than any Spotify playlist. And lastly, the campfire chats are original unfiltered podcasts. So these are the 5 things why I prefer camping in summer rather than indulging myself too much into any social media app. Let me know if you also love summer camping and which one is your favorite camping destination.